Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we are going to see sixth experiment in Java, that is using interface. Now this is the question which I have got, that is develop an application in Java for automating the banking operations using interfaces. Create an interface called accountable which contains the functions such as deposit, withdraw and balance inquiry. And then we should also create a savings account class and current account class, and these both should be implementing the accountable interface. And then they should also perform the operations like deposit, withdraw and balance inquiry. Now we'll check out the code for this. Yeah, this is my code for the problem. First thing they ask is to create a class and it should implement accountable. Now first we have to create an interface called accountable. Here is my interface. This is the creation of interface, and which has this deposit, display and balance inquiry. Here you can see I have given void deposit, withdraw and balance inquiry. And after that, now we'll get into the class. This is my class called savings account, and this implements the accountable. As I'll show you the question again. Yeah, in this question they have asked to create an interface, and we have created the interface called accountable, and then it should contain all the functions like deposit, withdraw and balance inquiry, which we have given. And then we should create a class called savings account and current account. Both should be implementing the accountable interface, and then it should perform some functions. Now this is my first class called savings account, and it also implements the accountable. And in this I have given the options for functions for deposit, withdraw and balance inquiry, you can see here. And I have also given uh, a particular thing called money beforehand, which is 1000 rupees, because we can keep this in some savings account or something, and when we display that, money beforehand will be displayed rather than displaying zero. Then this is my first function called deposit, and in this I have created integer deposit 1, and then I use uh, scanner to save it. And then our system.out.println this displays amount you want to deposit. Then the user will enter some amount and it will be stored by using scanner, and then it will be added to the money beforehand, and then it will be displayed in the output screen. This is for the depositing money. And then void withdraw. Now withdraw is taking out money, and it will ask to enter an amount you want to withdraw, and then the particular amount will be taken in using scanner. Here we have used, and it will be stored in withdraw one. And after that, if you want the total money in our account, then it will show the money beforehand, and also and minus withdraw amount. So the already money will be there, and the withdrawing money will be subtracted from that, and the output will be shown. And for balance inquiry is just displaying the money which is there inside, so we can display the money beforehand. And then the next part in our question is creating a class current account, which also implements the accountable. And as I showed you, accountable interface has three things: deposit, withdraw and balance inquiry. So all those things should be here. And this is the first thing, deposit. Here I have created an integer deposit 1, and the same thing as above. And then the if user want to deposit some money, then he can actually the output will ask you enter the amount you want to display. And if the user want to enter some amount, then he will enter, and then it will be stored in the deposit one. And it to display this amount, then it will be shown the money beforehand plus deposit. This is shown in the output. And after that, withdraw is also as same as the above class. We have given an integer called withdraw one. And then I have used scanner to store the amount that is to be withdrawn by the user. And then to display the money, we should display the uh, we should subtract the withdrawn money from the before money, and then we should display the total withdrawn amount. And then balance inquiry is simple as shown already. Now the main part of this is test class. This test class has all the logic for the above interface and the classes. Now here is our main function, public static void main, and in this I have taken an integer a which is already initiated to 0. And now the question is all about making a menu. So in my menu I have to enter the choice, that is press 1 for saving, 2 for current account, and 3 to exit. So I'll use while case, while and switch case, so that I can do this switching between 1 2 options, and the third option will be for exit. And all these things should be taken into a scan, so that if the user enters some particular number, then it can be taken in, and that particular case will be executed. Now accountable, an object is created for the accountable, that is accountable ob1 equal to new saving account, and then while b is not equal to 4, then all these functions will be done, that is enter 1 to display, 2 to withdraw, 3 to check balance, and 4 to exit, and then it will be stored in B. Then switch B, and case 1 is for deposit, case 2 is for withdraw, and case 3 is for balance inquiry. And as I already told you, the last case will be normal break one, case 4. And then if a equal to 2, here we have done the normal thing while b is not equal to 4. Now if a is equal to 2, then all these things will be executed. In 2 actually we have current account. Okay, 2 is for current account, 1 is for the savings account. And in this 2 we have while int n equal to 0, accountable now object is created, and while n is not equal to 4, 4 will be normal breakage, it will come out of the loop. And if it is not equal to 4, then it should show some options like 1 to deposit, 2 to withdraw, 3 to check balance, and so on. And the case should be switched according to the user's choice. And here case 1 is for deposit, as same as above, case 2 for withdraw, and case 3 for balance inquiry. And these are all the loops, closing the loops, and then break. Here now we'll execute